Right now, ChatGPT is answering 2 billion questions a day. Google's AI is showing up on half of all searches, and there's a piece of code on your website or missing from it that is quietly influencing whether you get named in those answers or completely ignored. Most businesses have no idea it exists, even fewer have it set up correctly. I'm going to walk you through what it is, why it matters suddenly more than almost anything else in search right now, and share some stats that genuinely surprised me. All of the sources can be found in the article linked in the video down below, but let's get into it.
Run.
So what is structured data? Strip the jargon away. It's simply a small block of code you add to a web page that tells machines, in plain terms, what your page is actually about. Who wrote it? What it sells? What questions it answers? Without it, the search engine has to guess that margarita pizza, $14, is a menu item. With structured data, the page declares it outright. Product, price, in stock, no guessing required. That's the magic of schema.org, a shared dictionary that every major search engine reads the same way, and it's turning 15 years old in June 2026. For years, the pitch was simple. Add structured data, unlock rich results. That 5-star rating in Google search? Schema. The recipe thumbnail? Schema. The event date and ticket link? Schema. These are called rich snippets, and pages that earn them dominate the search results page visually, lifting click-through rates well above the plain blue link. It also feeds Google's knowledge graph, helping search engines understand your brand entity, not just a collection of words on a page. But here's where things get really interesting. We're not just talking about better-looking search results anymore. Google AI overviews now appear on roughly 48 to 50% of tracked Google searches. ChatGPT is processing approximately 2 billion queries per day. And when AI systems generate answers, they have to decide which sources to trust and which pages to extract them from in order to cite them. Here's what the data shows. Sites with structured data and FAQ blocks saw a 44% increase in AI search citations. Pages with author schema markup are roughly 3 times more likely to appear in AI-generated answers. And brand-side and inside AI overviews earn approximately 35% more clicks and 91% more paid clicks compared to brands that aren't cited. Let that sink in. A citation is now worth substantially more to your business than ever. Now, here's something most people in the SEO world are not talking about. Not all AI crawlers are created equal. ChatGPT's bot, Claude's bot, Perplexity's bot, none of them execute JavaScript. Think of the infrastructure Google has to render the JavaScript of the entire web. Now, I'm not talking about their agents. This is specifically related to their bots that crawl your website to learn your content. This means if your structured data is being injected by Google Tag Manager or added client-side by a JavaScript framework, those AI crawlers can't see it at all. Your schema could validate perfectly fine in Google's testing tool and be completely invisible to the AI systems that matter most. Here's the fix. Make sure your structured data is baked into the HTML your server returns, not added to the page after the fact by scripts. If your website is built using platforms like React or other JavaScript libraries, you need to be using pre-rendering. If you right-click your page and hit View Page Source and your schema isn't there, AI crawlers can't read it. So where do you start? There are hundreds of schema types, but a handful do the heaviest lifting. Number 1 is organization schema. Every site needs this, included a same as link to your LinkedIn, Wikipedia entry, and key directories. This is how AI systems verify who you are. The number 2 is article or blog posting schema. Declare your author, their expertise, your published dates. These are signals AI uses to evaluate credibility. Number 3, FAQ page. This one has had a strange journey. Google reduced its visibility in traditional search results, but AI engines actively extract from it. It's quietly become more valuable in the AI era. Number 4, product and local business schema. It's essential for e-commerce and any business with a physical location. Here's what 15 years of schema.org has taught me. The companies that treat structured data as foundational infrastructure, not a tactical add-on, are the ones quietly winning AI citations right now. The markup that earned a recipe thumbnail in 2014 is now determining whether your business gets named when someone asks an AI a question. In 2015, structured data earned you a better looking search result. In 2026, it can determine whether you exist in an answer at all. I'm Brian Yulkinen, co-owner of Run. I've been doing technical SEO and web development for over 20 years. If you want to read the full breakdown, every data point, every source, every implementation example, the link is in the description. And if you want us to audit your structured data and make sure AI systems can actually find and cite your business, reach out to us at rundigital.com.
Run.